That's strange. I'm getting power here, where yesterday I didn't get power. So all I did was I turned it off, turned it back on. I took them out here and now it's on. And I now get power on the other side. I get power over here. Yesterday when I was doing the same test, power would not go over here when this is pushed back in. I wonder if there's something getting tweaked or bent or something happens. And somehow I was cutting off the power yesterday. But it's working, and it's working correctly, I think. Let's see. No, there's no ground there. We know that's grounded. So that's the hot. Now it's working. So the big one is the hot. The little one is the neutral. It's backwards. Wait a minute. Over here, I gotta recheck this. I thought I checked it okay here because we got the hot. It's going to line. And then we got the hot load. Load is over there. And I'm pretty sure, let's see, let me get it right there. There's hot. It's ground. Yeah. Yeah. It's correct there. Okay. So, it's correct going into here, but it's backwards over there. Okay. The mystery goes on.